welcome, I am Lucky, and this is my submission for CS50W's Project 3, which is great. Just gonna click the login button, and it's gonna take us to a web app. As you can see, the default view here is the inbox mailbox, right? And we have the ability to compose an email, which is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna send it to this other email address that I have access to, and I'm gonna say this is another test, right? And I'm just going to say test here, and I'm going to click submit. And as you can see, after I click submit, it takes us to our sent mailbox where we can see the email. As you can see, each email occupies its own div, right? And it has its own box, right? And it shows the sender, the subject, and the timestamp, right? And this is just one of the mailboxes that we have, which is sent. As you can see, we have the name of the mailbox here. We also have the ability to go use the inbox mailbox, right? You can see all the emails that are in that mailbox. They each occupy their own divs, right? They each have their own boxes. As you can see, we have the name of the mailbox at the top, and each email, as you can see, has a sender, subject, and a timestamp, as you can see, right? The other mailbox that we have is archive. As you can see, with archive, we have the name of the mailbox, the sender, the subject, and the timestamp. Right, so going back to our inbox, some of the emails that we have here are white and some of them are gray, as you can see. So the gray emails just indicate that these emails have been opened before they've been read. The white ones indicate that they haven't been opened before they haven't been read. And I'm just going to show you by clicking on this one. You can see it says all your emails are read. This is to help you have unread emails. So I had a problem where I had many gray emails and I couldn't show this functionality, but when I go back here, as you can see, this email is now gray because we've clicked on it, we opened it, right? And then I'm just gonna go back to click on it, right? And when I click on it, as you can see, we actually see we get taken to this view where we can see the contents of that email. We can see the subject, we can see who sent us this email, and we can see the receiver, we can see the timestamp, and we can see the body of the email. And we have these two buttons right here, right? And these buttons, this one helps us reply to the email, and this one helps us archive the email, right? When I click on it, as you can see, we get taken to the mailbox. That email is no longer here because it is now here in archive, right? It has been archived, as you can see. There it is. When I click on it, as you can see, the button has now changed. The button now says Unarchive. And when I click Unarchive, we get taken to our inbox again, and there is the email once more, right? So going back into that email, we also have the ability to reply. I'm just going to click on reply. You can see the input box here for the recipient is already pre-filled with the person who sent us the email, right? Just to show us that, hey, this is now the sender is now the recipient because responding. And then the subject is and colon, as you can see, to show that it's a response. And then the body is already pre-filled with this text to say on August 26th, me at email.com wrote this, right? And I'm gonna just reply to this and say thank you, and I'm gonna submit. Once again, we get taken to our our sent mailbox. So I'm gonna log out, and then I'm gonna log in as the email address that we just sent the mail to. And as you can see, once again, this is the default view that we have, and we see that email that we just sent here, right? And it's white because we haven't read it. And then I'm going to click on it and I'm going to reply to it, right? As you can see, everything is pre-filled, and it already had re in the subject, but because it already had re, we don't put another re, right? We have functionality to keep it to just one re that we have, right? I'm just going to respond to this, and I'm going to say you're welcome. And then that is it for this project. Submit. Box is now gray. Thank you.